Tell us in details with background, okay? How you came to Bangladesh, what's happened, today's situation, step by step. Okay?
My name is Garrison Luttrell. Oh.
Ready now? Okay.
My name is Garrison Luttrell. I'm an American citizen. I come to Bangladesh more than 1 year ago to seek the custody of my son, as I had went for divorce in USA as I found my wife had cheated with me. She had continued on her affair with her partner, Radis Kaitis, Lithuanian and Canadian dual citizen. And so she, doing some fraud, ran away with my son to Bangladesh, and I followed her here to find that she keeping her affair partner, sugar daddy, in her house. My son said, another Abba is here, another Abba is sleeping, another Abba also have. I went to the Supreme Court, and they ordered the family court to make a decision about the custody as early as possible, preferably within 6 months. And they ordered that I should be visiting my son twice in a week from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m., that my wife should be handing him over to me, and I should hand him back over at 6 p.m. That way he can be spending time with his father also, not only held captive by his mother and her criminal relatives. They only sought to harass me during the whole time I've been here. They sought to threaten me and extort me further. They demanded huge sums of money. On Ramadan, I visited my father-in-law in the mosque to pray with him for the first time, as I converted to Islam in 2018, but it's the first time that I prayed with him in the mosque, as he never invited me before. And he demanded $20,000 for me to see my children again in the mosque on Ramadan time. He didn't invite me into his house for iftar. Anyway, it's caused me to become very upset and concerned for my children, as they threaten to abort all the children if I don't pay them money. Now I've sought police action as they're missing, as my wife, the SB reported, had run away to USA last month, pregnant again, and she's hiding. Her affair partner still in Dhaka. Maybe she left with him. I don't know where they are. They sought to traffic my children abroad, and I stopped them, and now they try to use her sister and brother-in-law to traffic them. Already the police have arrested the Mahmoud Rahman, the one criminal, brother-in-law, and they're still investigating to find my children. The court is also involved in the matter and has passed an order to seek out my son, and the embassy is also very much concerned about where is my children, and I just don't understand how they can cheat with me like this if they want to get divorced and they want to marry their daughter to this more rich sugar daddy man. Instead, they could have divorced me in USA, where we were married, as we met and both married in USA. So I don't know how it can be possible that they can hide my son from me, as I am just staying here only for my son and seeing my son.
How long you're not seeing your son?
I haven't seen my son's face since August, and there's also a second child that they hide from me since March. I have no idea about the third child that she's given birth to. They don't tell me anything. They said I'll never see that child, and they want to make some forgery and get some false documents with the sister and brother-in-law as the parents of my son to traffic him abroad. And so I've stopped them again, inshallah, from doing this thing. And now still they're searching for my son. My son is still missing today. That's why I came to the Supreme Court, as the Supreme Court had ordered that today should be my visiting day, that I should have to go through so much trouble just to see my son. And Ora Amar Bacha Kelukai Rekashe Ora Make Mera Oi Koitis Ke Amar Bachar Baba Banate Chai Amake Shajo Koran. I want to seek the help of Dr. Yunus with his Nobel Peace Prize, that he may help to bring peace and a speedy resolution to the situation, and peace for my children, and peace for my life, and peace for all of Bangladesh. I hope. My name is Garrison Luttrell. I'm an American citizen from the state of Missouri in USA. It's the show me state, as some states, have California is the, California dreaming. The New York is the new world. The Florida is the sunshine state. And in Missouri, the show me state, it's where we want to see what is the real truth. and it's in the heartland of the country where all the good-hearted people live.
Okay. So what do you want?